This tutorial covers the Profile Settings page for your Dealer Admin Control Panel. The Profile Settings page controls many of the global settings for your vehicle marketing system. The first time you log into the Admin Control Panel and click on the Profile Settings icon, you will see the contact information on the first few lines pre-filled out for you. This includes contact information like name, website URL, company name, address, and phone number. If you need to make any changes, that's fine, but please follow the same format that's currently there, especially for the website URL. You can have up to 2 email addresses in the system. The 2 email addresses entered here are used when your customers submit the Make Offer form or the form on the Vehicle Details page. Many of the other website forms, like the credit application, require us to manually enter new email addresses in the system. So please let us know when you make any email address changes here, and we can update any other forms on your website. The mobile email address shown here is used to send an automatic text message to you when someone fills out the Make Offer form and the contact form on the Vehicle Details page. Your mobile email address is your SMS address, which depends on your cell phone carrier. In this case, which is an AT&T number, it is the cell phone number followed by singularme.com. The format followed is usually the phone number with no hyphens, the @ symbol, followed by the domain for your SMS address. Every cell phone provider is different. If you let us know your carrier, we can fill this out for you and also add it to your other forms. Next, you'll see the username and password. For security reasons, the password will not be shown. If you need to change the password, enter the new one here, type it again in the Confirm Password field, and then make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. In the next section, you can designate default vehicle comments. Here, you might want to say something about your company, how long you've been in business, and any other general information that you want to show on the comment section of each vehicle. When you are adding or editing individual vehicles, you will have the opportunity to load this default text. You will see these HTML editors often throughout the admin. You can use the HTML editor to change the font, size, color, etc. of the text. I would advise you not to get too crazy with large font sizes, because this can break the page layout on your web pages somewhat, so please use it sparingly. The disclaimer text also includes an HTML editor, so you can modify the look of the text. Here you can designate whether you would like for this text to show on the website at the bottom of every Vehicle Details page. You can also choose whether you want this disclaimer text to show on every Craigslist ad. If you enable the slideshow, your customers will be able to play the slideshow on the Vehicle Details page, which will scroll through all of the photos for that car. You also have the ability to preview and select the music track that will play when your customer plays the slideshow. This next section is where your default Craigslist and Backpage email addresses and posting URLs are stored. These are covered in detail in the Craigslist Ad Tool video. If you have a DMS system that allows you to FTP a data file, we can have your inventory updated automatically. In the case of some DMS systems like Frasier, you can export photo URLs and we can add the photos at the same time. Please let us know if you are interested, and we can map the data files and set up automatic imports of the vehicle data into your system. Also, you can choose to have your vehicles deleted from your website automatically when they are deleted from your DMS, or you can simply have them marked as sold. Next, you see the Pricing Options Default section, and this is covered in detail in the Pricing Options video. The next section refers to Mannheim's Online Vehicle Exchange, or OVE. For our export tool to work, you do need to have a Mannheim Seller Universal Number. This is where you would store that number. The Mannheim OVE export tool is covered in detail in another video. We also have a Make Offer form, which is located on both the vehicle list and the vehicle details pages. You can choose to show or not show the Make Offer form link on the website by checking here to enable. If you have a Carfax account with reports pulled, a Carfax graphic on the vehicle details page will automatically link to any vehicle's report if checked here to enable. AutoCheck is a cost-effective service that provides vehicle reports similar to Carfax. You must put a check here to enable the reports and enter and save your AutoCheck dealer ID. The Super Admin login is not authorized for dealer-level administration, so you can ignore this field. This is the end of the tutorial for the Profile Settings page. Thank you.